A new law is easing up the rules for identifying children suspected of serious crimes.
It comes after the murder of two Orange County teenagers last year. CBS 17's Judith Retana is live with the impact the new law could have. And Judith, break it down for us.
Yeah, so this law was named after Lyric Woods and Devin Clark. They were both killed last year in Orange County. The suspected shooter was a 17-year-old. In a typical case, police would be able to share their suspect's photo and name to have the public help them track a suspect down, but they couldn't do that in this case because of that suspect's age. This new law hopes to change that. In September of 2022, Devin Clark and Lyric Woods were found shot to death in Orange County. Clark's mother spoke about the difficulty in understanding her son's death.
Just waking up every day, praying, and waking up and just living day by day, just trying to get justice.
It took law enforcement 18 days to bring the suspected shooter, 17-year-old Isaiah Ross, into custody. Even though he was wanted for their murders, neither his name or his photo could be publicly shared. He was eventually tracked down out of state.
You're a family member, you just lost your child to a heinous murder. You're trying to grapple with that. You don't know if the murderer is around. You don't know why they did it. You don't know if they're coming back to your house.
Eddie Caldwell with the State Sheriff's Association says Devin and Lyric's law aims to protect citizens from a potentially dangerous person. It can also help track down underage suspects by allowing police to share their name and photo with the public.
When you're looking for somebody that just murdered two teenagers, privacy is of the least of concerns. Public safety is paramount.
Under the new law, a minor's name or photo can be shared if they're accused of a crime that could go to superior court, like murder. The suspect is a danger to themselves or others, and a judge finds good cause to share the information.
Hopefully, this law will never be needed to be used because no juveniles will commit any heinous crimes. History shows us that's probably not likely to be the case.
Now, Devin and Lyric's case wasn't the only thing that prompted this law. That same month they were killed, another teenager in Robeson County was wanted on attempted murder charges. He was found about a week after the incident he was accused of. Live in Raleigh, Judith Retana, CBS 17 News.
All right, Judith, thanks so much.